Dear students, welcome to MSBT online learning platform. I'm myself, Miss Yogita Zore, Head of Information Technology Department from Vidyalankar Polytechnic. We have already started with unit number 1, that is basic syntactical construct in Java. So unit outcome is write a program to create classes and object for the given mentioned problem. And learning outcome based on today's session is students should understand the features provided by Java. So let us see why Java is so popular. So basically, it is compiled and interpreted language. Second, platform independent and portable. Third, object oriented programming language. Robust and secure. It is distributed language. Familiar, simple and small. It supports multi-threaded concept and it is interactive. High performance. Dynamic. Architecture neutral. And it is popular for internet. So this is the concept map which shows the features of Java. So let us see the features one by one. First is Java is compiled and interpreted language. Usually a computer language, for example C or C++, can be either compiled or interpreted. Java integrates the power of compiled language with the flexibility of interpreted language. So Java is two-stage system. In the first stage, Java compiler translates source code into bytecode instructions. Bytecode are not machine instructions. So in a second stage, Java interpreter generates machine code that can be directly executed by Java virtual machine. So the two steps of compilation and interpretation allow for extensive code checking and hence improve the security. So this is the concept which shows Java is compiled as well as interpreted language. Second feature is Java is platform independent and portable language. Now what do you mean by platform independent? So the meaning of platform independent is that the Java compiled code, that is bytecode, can run all operating systems. So being a platform independent means a program compiled on one machine can be executed on any other platform. This concept is known as write once, run anywhere. So what happened in the case of C, C++? The compiler generates an .exe file which is not operating system dependent. When we try to run this .exe file on another operating system, it does not run since it is not operating system dependent and hence it is not compatible with any other operating system or you can say platform. So whenever a program is written in Java, Java compiler compiles it first. The result of the Java compiler is the .class file or you can say bytecode. The bytecode generated is a non-executable code and needs an interpreter to execute on a machine. This interpreter is Java virtual machine and thus the bytecode is executed by the Java virtual machine. And finally program runs to give the desired output. So this bytecode is platform independent and can be run on any machine, plus bytecode format also provides the security. So one more important feature is portability. Every system has its own Java virtual machine which gets installed automatically when we install JDK. For every operating system, separate JVM is available which is capable to read .class file or bytecode. So here compiler compiles Java code, convert it into bytecode and Java virtual machine can interpret this bytecode for any platform. Our third feature is Java is an object-oriented language. So everything in Java is an object. All program code and data reside within objects and classes. Java comes with an extensive set of classes arranged in packages that can use in our program by using the concept of inheritance. So everything in Java is object, even the primitive data types can also be converted into object by using the concept of wrapper classes. So following are the basic concepts of OOP: object, class, inheritance, a polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. So our next feature is Java is robust and secure language. Robust means strong. So Java is robust because it uses strong memory management. There is a lack of pointers that avoid security problems. There is automatic garbage collection in Java which runs on the Java virtual machine to get rid of objects which are not being used by a Java application anymore. There are exception handling and the type checking mechanism in Java. All these points make Java robust. When it comes to security, Java is always the first choice because of its bytecode. Java program always runs in Java runtime environment with almost null interaction with operating system, hence it is more secure. So using bytecode concept, we can say that Java is secure language. Our next feature is Java is distributed language. Java comes with the extensive library of classes for interacting using TCP/IP protocols such as HTTP and FTP, which makes creating network connections much easier than in C or C++. Next feature is simple, familiar, and small language. The Java is designed to easy to learn. If you understand the basic concept of object-oriented programming language, Java will be easy to master. There are various features that makes the Java is a simple language. Programs are easy to write and debug because Java codes does not use the pointers. It is much harder to write the Java program that can crash the system, but we cannot say about the other programming language. Java provides the bug-free system due to the strong memory management. It also has the automatic memory allocation and deallocation system. It also eliminates operator overloading and multiple inheritance. Java uses many constructs of C and C++, and therefore Java code looks like a C++ code. Thus, Java is simplified version of C++. Our next feature is multi-threaded and interactive language. Multi-threading means a single program having different threads executing independently at the same time. Java supports multi-threaded programs. Multiple threads execute instructions according to the program code in a process or in a program. Multi-threading works a similar way as multiple processes run on one computer. Next feature is dynamic language. By connecting to the internet, a user immediately has access to thousands of programs and other computers. During the execution of a program, Java can dynamically load classes that it requires either from the local hard drive or from another computer on the local area network or from a computer somewhere on the internet. Next feature is architecture neutral. Means compiler generates bytecodes which have nothing to do with a particular computer architecture. So hence, Java program is easy to interpret on any machine. So here, as we have seen earlier, Java compiler compiles Java code, converts into bytecode, that is .class file, and every operating system has its own Java virtual machine. So we can say Java is architecture neutral. And the last one is Java is popular for internet. The main reason why Java is popular on the internet is that Java offers applet. Applets are small programs which run inside the browser. Before the introduction of applets, the web pages were mostly static. After the use of this application, they have become dynamic, making browser richer. Applets are very safe. They cannot write the local hard disk. Hence, there is no threat of viruses while surfing the internet. This is made applets highly popular on the internet. They also supports graphical user interface. So we have seen all the features provided by Java. We take quick review based on today's session. A first question for you. Everything in Java is an. The answer is object. Second question for you. Write once, run anywhere means platform independent. Third question. In a first stage, Java compiler translates dash into bytecode instructions. So answer is source code. Thank you.